The thing that I think is important, we don't need to valorize people dropping out of school. Part of Andy's passion for undergrads is recognizing that you build whole, rich people who actually can understand different ways of seeing and different ways of knowing. And the richness of Brown is that it really encourages that. You're not just studying computer science, you're interacting with a humanistic, context. And that's where I think part of this goes to your polarities. We often, think government regulation because we're in a polarity moment. We know that things are wrong, they're painful, but we need to build people and processes and systems that have checks and balances. And that starts with every individual also being, educated in order to have those checks and balances, to think of people as part of a broader ecosystem, to really make education not just about like learning how to do the technical work, but being able to see the technical work in a broader context.
That's pretty compelling. Eric, what would you add to that?
With great power and influence comes great responsibility. And here we are with computer science and computing technologies having such great power, more than I ever had expected as a graduate student myself in this field. The great responsibility, and as Andy has led on, extends to educating students about responsibility. Computer science teachers absolutely must introduce considerations of ethics and responsibility into the curricula and work to nurture an ethos about key issues, potential outcomes that computer scientists and engineers need to consider when they build and field technologies. It's been wonderful to see Andy and other computer science educators developing and sharing interdisciplinary content on values, ethics, and responsibilities. I see great value in having both standalone courses for undergraduates and graduate students, as well as modules that are integrated or embedded into the traditional classes on ethics, values, co-responsibilities, case studies with outcomes and uncertainties. Thinking deeply about the impact of computer science and computing applications in the complex open world is going to be and will continue to be an important area of reflection and a core component of computer science education. So thank you, Andy, for being a leader on these teaching responsibilities.